Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 8+, and a working package manager. Once done, open your terminal and create a virtual environment. This isolates packages. Make sure to activate that env immediately because the next installs must target it. Then install Jupyter with pip install Jupyter, or, if you prefer Conda install C Conda Forge Notebook. These steps prepare your system, so you can launch a notebook server safely and reproducibly, without polluting global Python. You now launch the server with Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. This opens localhost 8888 in your browser. Once the file browser appears, create a new Python 3 notebook and rename it to something meaningful. Next, organize the first cell. Import libs, set plotting backends, and test a small computation. If you need extra packages, install them into the same environment and then restart the kernel so the notebook picks them up. This ensures reproducible results and avoids version conflicts later. You finish by organizing cells, add markdown headers, comments, and run all to confirm outputs. Save a checkpoint and export to IPINB or HTML for sharing, and bconvert works for automated exports. If something breaks, like the kernel not connecting, first verify the environment is activated, then check path and which Python the kernel uses. If needed, reinstall the ipykernel into the env and run python m ipykernel install username myenv. This fixes most kernel mismatch issues and gets you back to inner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.